my Boopa Doopers. I'm here with Blue Gaming Killer, and today we're going to be doing a Minecraft video.
Minecraft!
I told you we were going to be updating this soon, since it has been a while since I played Minecraft.
Yeah.
So, who's excited for this? Because I am, so is Blue Game Killer. Now let's get into the video.
Red Game
Killer has to go. He's not around right now.
No, he's inside. Let's do the hundreds.
No, I get to pick.
Remember you were going to say we're doing the hundreds?
Okay, I'm going to create a new video.
That's 111?
Not a new video, a new world.
So that's your 111th.
No, 101 world.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
But I'm going to be naming it YouTube 101.
Dalmatians, just kidding.
No, 101 YouTube survival.
Awesome. 01. What the? Let's see. 101.
Wait, I need to change that.
Survival. Oh, you can change colors?
I think I spelled that right.
Yeah? Maybe? I don't know. She's gonna create like she did 100.
Survival, normal, bonus chest.
How come the world just glitched?
Don't know. I am gonna activate cheats only for keep inventory because I die a lot.
Yeah.
Resource
know
packs.
why.
I want to see what I have.
What? Motorcycle.
Keep on angel wings.
Where's the
Just wait.
goat? What the?
Where did my connectable
Pikachu.
glass go?
The glass?
Yeah, right here. Connectable glass.
I don't know this.
Okay, you guys ready for this?
Multiplayer.
But I am going to put OP bonus chest. Yeah, the person spelled it wrong because it always takes me a while to get stuff, but I don't think I should, so let's just go with that. We'll see how it goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Create!
She's going to do 101. I think.
Shut. Soon we're going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge, and whoever loses has to get tickled until, laugh to tears. Blah. I can't talk today.
I can't laugh to tears. I never.
Sure, then I'll put ice on your shirt.
Oh, like we did last time on FNAF.
FNAF compilations. A lot of them are, really funny.
I like
You ready for this, guys? Boom. Starting. Ooh, I spawned in a jungle biome, guys. This is amazing.
What?
Jungle biomes are so hard to find. And I got jungle saplings. Yes.
You got everything.
I got so much good stuff. I can create a tree fort. I got bread.
Bread. So you can
I got
eat.
bread.
So you can
I might be able to get a cat. I'm not even joking. Guys, I might be able to get a cat in the first 5 minutes of the video.
Maybe.
Because you got salmon, and if you feed salmon to a cat, you might be able to tame it. I might be able to tame a cat and keep creepers away from me. Cocoa beans!
What are cocoa beans?
They're used for making cookies and dye and stuff.
Dye.
D-Y-E, colorful dye.
Oh, get him.
I will. Just wait. I want to find a cat first. I want to find an ocelot.
Ocelot.
That's a cat. It's an untamed cat.
Oh, there's a green bug on her.
Get off of me. Yeah, we're actually outside recording this, and we're outside in the game, so it makes a lot of sense. Let's see if we can find an ocelot now.
Can you hear us? I think so.
Hopefully, because last time when we were recording, the sound glitched and we couldn't upload the video.
No.
Come here, kitties. Where are you?
I can see the clouds moving.
Is that an ocelot? No, that's just an thingy. That's
the sand. The sand.
No, it was ungrown cocoa bean. Ungrown cocoa bean, yeah.
Do you already have two?
I have 2 salmon. I'm trying to find an ocelot.
There's a sheep.
I found melons! Millions!
You need melons.
Watermelon.
There's a chicken!
Wherever there's chickens, there's cats, because Cats like to kill chickens for some reason. Believe me, I don't know why either.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
It's the watermelon.
It's watermelon.
Where are you gonna put the watermelon?
Oh, I think I see a cat. I found a parrot! Guys, I'm not even joking. I found a parrot! Give me seeds, give me seeds, give me seeds, give me seeds, give me seeds. Come on, give me seeds. Do I have any seeds? No. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Come here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Guys, I'm not even kidding. I found a parrot.
Yeah, I saw it. Ow, what is that?
Come here,
Oh.
parrot.
Come here. It loves you. Oh.
I got a parrot! Yee!
So
How do
cool.
I sit on my shoulder? Where is
Sit on
it?
our shoulder. It's supposed to follow you.
It's on my shoulder! Guys, it's on my shoulder! How do I get it off? I don't know how to get it off. Do I tap on it?
Oh.
How do I get it off my shoulder?
I don't know.
I think I have a parrot on my shoulder forever.
Yeah, I think so too. How about fight?
Oh my god, guys, I got a parrot. Oh wait, it's on my shoulder.
Hi, parrot.
Come here, parrot. Now it's on my shoulder.
Oh, that's cool. How do you take it off?
I don't know, I think it just comes off on its own. Oh, it tucked!
It was like, ow.
Guys, this is amazing. I've never found a parrot before.
No, I've never seen it so much.
Look how amazing this is, guys.
Yeah. Hey, what's that?
I got my own pet parrot.
That's really cool because you feeded it.
I tamed it in one. Where did it go? Where did you go, buddy?
Where'd you go, parrot? Where'd that parrot go? Where'd that parrot go?
Come here.
I saw it. It's flying around. It's on your shoulder.
Yep. Whenever I want to walk around with it, I can just put it on my shoulder.
Oh no, it's up.
Wait, oh, it comes off in the water.
Oh no, it's drowning. It drowned.
What? Did it just die?
Yep, it drowned.
No, it's on my shoulder.
Oh, because you saved it. High five.
Oh, it whistled for me. Which, guys, put in the comment section below what I should name him. Excuse me. Oh, come here, you.
Come here. Come here. It's on your shoulder now.
Aw,
Can you really see?
over here.
I see yourself.
It's on my shoulder now.
So cute.
Let's find a cat. Hopefully it doesn't kill my... Come here, you. Come on, come on.
Oh.
It's on my shoulder now.
How do you know?
Because, look. Because if it disappears like that, that means it's on your shoulder.
It's off. Nope.
No, it's not. Told you. Gonna make sure I have a whole bunch of seeds. I'm gonna turn all my watermelon into seeds. Because it'll give me enough seeds to feed my parrot.
To love you so much.
I'm not feeding that chicken.
What the?
What the? Is there like a village nearby?
Yeah, I think so.
First I have to find a cat.
Oh, it's off.
What?
Remember in water?
Oh, right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come here.
Sit. Uh-oh, don't go in the water.
How am I gonna get over? How am I gonna get across?
Fly! Can you?
No, you can't fly with it on. See? What? Where'd you go? No! Parrot! Oh, he's flying! Come over here, parrot. Come over here.
Parrots can't swim.
I think... No, he's flying. He's flying.
Oh,
Come on. Come on. Come on.
he can fly to you.
Yay.
Come on. It's on you.
Yee. I swear to God, I keep hearing a creeper. Come off, buddy. I need you to come off, buddy.
What is that noise?
I don't know. Guys, have you ever...
I heard a shot. How come I heard a shot?
Oh, you can't feed him any more than you already have.
Guys, I heard a shooting noise. Like
An arrow?
Yeah.
Come on, parrot.
They'll just follow you.
Yeah, I know. Follows you.
Cool.
Do you think if you get too far from it, it'll teleport? I think it's kind of like a dog. Or a cat. I think if you get too far from it, it'll teleport. Look at him, he's on my shoulder. That whistle! Oh my god. I have to try and find a cat. They're so hard to find. I don't need any more watermelon. Oh, okay.
There's an underground secret lair.
That's a tunnel.
Go in it.
No, I don't need to, because I'm trying to find a cat first.
What if there's a cat in there?
Look at that.
What if
I don't
there's
wanna
a
go
cat
down
in
there.
there? What the? What if there's a cat
Come here,
in there?
parrot. Come here. You're so cute. It's Clitless Fling Matthias. I mean, Blue Game Killer, not Matthias.
That's my nickname.
Yeah.
We have nicknames.
Eh.
Matthias and Kaylee.
Yeah, those are our nicknames.
I have 2 nicknames. Math
Where are you,
and
parrot?
Matthias.
Come on. Fly up to me. Come on. Good.
Why can't you get up?
He has to fly up.
Are you fine?
Ah! Guys, I'm a pirate. Let's see if we can find an ocelot.
Oh, I saw it thing. Whatever. Changes your clothes.
Ow.
Ow. I hurt a heart. You just landed on a chicken.
Come here, parrots. Come here, bud.
So,
He's so cute.
yeah.
These guys are adorable. Gonna have to go across. He's gonna have to freaking fly to me.
Wait, is Alistair inside?
Come on, fly to me. Put in the comment section below what I should name. Like, I'm really looking forward to this, guys. We're gonna be doing an episode 2.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to cut the video short here soon.
Come on. The parrot. Karibipa.
Where is he? On my shoulder? Yeah, he is. Guys, we're gonna have to cut the video short. We'll see you in the next video, okay, guys? Bye-bye.
I'll show you something really cool.